The next A17 Bionic chip for the iPhone 16 and iPhone 15 Pro will be distinct. The 15 and 15 Pro models from Apple are anticipated to be released later this year with a variety of internal and external upgrades. The A16 Bionic chip from this year will be installed in the basic models, while the upgraded A17 Bionic chip from TSMC's 3M process will be installed in the 15 Pro models. With the 3nm A17 Bionic chip, we anticipate significant performance and efficiency increases, but new rumors suggest that Apple may launch a new N3E process chip next year to contain prices. The A16 Bionic chip in the iPhone 14 Pro models is now based on a foreign process developed by TSMC. Compared to the 14 Pro models, the A17 Bionic will offer higher performance and battery life due to the 3nm fabrication. Nevertheless, only the 15 Pro and Ultra devices are expected to receive the most recent hardware. The processors are one of the defining features that Apple has established between the regular and Pro models. A fresh posting on Weibo from a user's phone, the A17 Bionic chip in this year's iPhone 15 Pro models is rumored to be built on TSMC's 3B process, according to chip experts. TSMC employs the N3E node for all other clients and the N3B 3nm node only for Apple. In contrast to the N3B process, which has reduced EUV layers and relatively fewer transistors, Apple is likely to introduce the change to reduce costs, but efficiency will be compromised. While the A17 Bionic chip will be less efficient compared to the N3B version of the chip, it will bring enhanced performance capabilities. This raises the possibility of a different problem if the iPhone's battery life suffers. According to rumors, the 15 Pro models will include a speedier version of the A17 Bionic chip, while the iPhone models for the next year will utilize a less effective version based on TSMC's N3E architecture. If the 15 Bionic chip in the 14 and 14 Plus is a higher bin variant with one additional GPU core than the A15 used in the 13 and 13 mini, then some cross-generational differences despite appearing to have the same chip would not be unheard of. Instead, the N3E version of the chip may be destined for next year's standard iPhone 16 and 16 Plus models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.